Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone 14 and carrier both support 5G. This matters because bands vary. Once that's done, update to the latest iOS so radios and carrier profiles are current. Make sure you have an active 5G SIM or eSIM installed. If you just added it, restart the phone to register on the network. Now go to Settings to begin switching network modes. These first steps ensure your device can see and request 5G service from the tower. Once in Settings, tap Cellular then Cellular Data options to access voice and data. You'll pick between 5G on, which forces 5G, and 5G Auto, which uses it selectively to save battery. Choose based on whether you prioritize speed or battery life. Next, set data mode to standard for a balance of performance and reasonable background data, or unlimited if you want maximum throughput. Make sure Wi-Fi Assist is set how you like it, because it will switch to cellular when Wi-Fi is weak. To finish, verify the status bar shows 5G, 5G UC, or 5G+, which confirms a connection. The suffix indicates carrier aggregation or ultra capacity. If you don't see 5G, restart the iPhone, toggle airplane mode on then off, and recheck settings. If that fails, reset network settings to clear stale profiles. Finally, contact your carrier to confirm your plan and provisioning, or to check local 5G coverage. This step resolves most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.